welcome to Sour Horsepower. First track day, well, first drag strip run here with my Viper. Unfortunately, we are only getting one pass tonight because, as you can see here, maybe it's 9:54 and the track's about to close. I've been here for 2.5 hours and have not made a pass yet. But yeah, we're gonna get one run tonight. That's all you're gonna see on this video, and hopefully we can get a decent launch out of it and set a decent time. I'm hoping for something in the 11s. That would be fantastic. Let's see how we do. Probably not the best launch, but we'll see how she did. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There we go. Not too bad. 60 foot is trash as I expected. 11.7 though at 127. Dang, that mile an hour. That mile an hour is actually pretty good. That is not. That's not bad at all. What did my? I think that's not far off what my Hellcat Red Eye did. Just a couple of miles an hour. So I'm really happy with that. Yeah. We'll fast forward in the video and we'll talk about some more things, so stay tuned. All right, everyone, so as you can see, it's now the next day, and I just want to talk about a couple things at the end of this video. So the track obviously didn't go as planned, really. We only got one pass that night. Was kind of hoping to get a couple more. So if you want to see me take this Dodge Viper back to the track, go ahead and put a comment below. Maybe we can improve on our time. The 11.7 at 127 was actually pretty respectable. The trap speed is right about where this car should be for being stock. We are on the street tires, unfortunately, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. So that's kind of why the 60 foot's a little meh, not so good. It was like a 2.0 60 foot. But we're not going to be putting drag radials. We're not going to be making this a drag car. But there's definitely probably a little bit of time, maybe a tenth or two to be had in the launch. It was my first time ever launching this car. So probably a little bit of time there, maybe get down to like 11.5 or something like that. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want me to take the Viper back out to the track as well. Also comment below if you're interested in seeing what the 124 Spider there can do on the drag strip. Definitely not going to be fast at all, but comment below if you'd like to see that video. Later this week we're probably going to be doing sort of like a channel update video, because there's going to be a lot of moving parts here on the channel when it comes to the cars. And maybe some news on this, but we'll see how it all plays out. So stay tuned for that video. And of course, if you guys enjoyed this, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. We've got many more videos coming up. Viper, Fiat, Durango, some other cars. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.